Hello guys, what's up today? So today we got another package from Amazon. Let's do another unboxing video. Let's quickly see what is inside. It is ELV Smart Stand for phone, the smartphones. It is priced $699, but I got it for $190 in Amazon. So this is the stand. This is made up of metal. It has pretty weight to it, so the phone won't easily fall off. That's nice. You can operate with this one. That is not a problem. So this has a charging hole. You can put the charging wire inside and get through it, and it can, here you have the cutting for the charging port. But if you have the headphone jacks here, it won't fit. That is the only downside. Another downside is it is fixed. You cannot move it up or down, but it's a good viewing angle, so you can actually see the phone without any trouble. But if you are having any online classes, then if you are having any video to be transmitted from your phone, then you have to slightly put some padding behind this one and raise the phone. That's another downside. Otherwise, it's normally available for 139 rupees in Amazon, but in offer it is 119. For the price, I think it is worth. So enjoy guys. See you next time. Bye.